Hey, welcome to the complete build video of my ice cooler, ice box, ice chest, whatever you want to call it. I've already posted a part 1 and part 2 describing how I built this thing, the steps that I used. This video is just going to be the complete build video. I noticed that people don't watch the entire video if it's longer than 3 minutes, so that's why I make a part 1 and a part 2 detailing of how I built it. But for this project, I'm using nothing but heart power tools. I teamed up with Rockin Wood to get the really cool reclaimed wood, and I'm using velocity screws for wherever I need screws at. The pocket holes are going to be done with the Mosca jig. And so the idea that I had for this was, a while back I made a barbecue prepping station, and I wanted something to match pretty similar in design style to that. I used the same clear finish, used the same paint. All in all, I just wanted something that was going to be very useful, very handy, keep my drinks cold to where I can sit down, enjoy a nice cold one, and whatever else I wanted to put on there. As stated, I'm using nothing but heart power tools. I wanted to show you that you can build something pretty cool without breaking the bank and spending thousands of dollars on other kinds of power tools. Yes, don't get me wrong, you can build this with so many different brands of tools. But if you're just starting out in woodworking and you're not sure if you want to go ahead and stick with it, why not save some money, get some heart power tools, and be good to go. This entire table, icebox, cooler thing, whatever you want to call it, it was really a fun project, knowing that what I was going to be building was going to be matching something I had already previously built. The aesthetic to it, I don't know, I'm really digging it right now. It's not necessarily farmhouse or anything. Maybe farmhouse with some other kind of aesthetic, I'm not sure. Look at that hat, rocking the CT Rustic right now, sheesh. Being partnered with Heart Tools has been such a huge game changer with knowing that what's going to be coming out in the future, which is super cool, to where if I do need something like clamps or whatever, I can just be like, hey, I need this, can you send it to me? I still buy a lot of tools from time to time. If I need something right then and there and I don't want to wait, I definitely go ahead and just go get it. But it is nice to know that a company definitely supports their content creators. And as I said in the other video, I have some exciting news and another update. Another partnership is coming along, and I can't wait to show that video that's coming up. So that's going to be super cool. And the exciting thing about TikTok is that, you know, if you do stay up to date on things and you do post videos constantly and you show dedication, brands will go ahead and reach out to you and they'll be like, hey, we want to work with you. And I'm literally nobody special. I'm just a guy in a 2-car garage making things out of wood, and companies seem to like that. So I'm no genius on marketing and stuff, but if you really do have a passion for something and you like a certain brand, definitely show dedication to that brand and they have a good chance at reaching out to you. Also, it doesn't hurt to try to keep your page as positive as possible. Make yourself look good so that way the companies will know that you're going to make them look good too. Yes, I get trolls from time to time and stuff, but instead of talking down on them, I just, kill them with kindness for the most part. And that's another outlook that you could look at as well, because companies definitely don't want drama around anything. But I hope that you guys watched part 1 and part 2, and if you haven't yet, just click on my little picture thing over there on the right side of the screen and go check out my profile and check out the build video, the steps, and yeah, hopefully build yourself one that's something kind of like it or something useful. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit, and thanks for the follow and the like, and drop a comment, tell me what you think.